Hello friends. So today we are going to go through what's the process that we use here at our home or our Vapari farms to harvest and store eggplants or brinjal seeds on a large scale. So if you are doing this just for your home on a small scale, you don't have to worry about all this process. But on a large scale, how do you do this? So these are the purple eggplants, the long purple eggplants. This is the end of season in Chicago. So basically all this, I harvested everything. And these are the seeds. How are these the seeds? Because as you can see, the purple have turned orangish yellow and they are very hard, and it's been all the seeds are ripened and ready to be harvested. So what we do here is just remove these the stems and cut them into smaller pieces like this, like a reasonable chunk, and just put them into a mixer with water, lots of water. We'll add a little bit more water, and then we are going to grind them. So grind them on a low setting until you can see that the seeds have come out and the meat of the eggplant is also out. So we are going to start doing it now. It will take some time. It's a very low impact process. You don't have to worry about seeds getting damaged. It won't get damaged. Even if it gets damaged, basically what happens is only the viable seeds get settled in the water. The non-viable seeds will anyway come up, will float in the slurry, and we should be able to remove them as is. Okay, so this is basically the process that we follow here. And the end product that you're gonna get would look like this. So this is the slurry with the seeds, and we just add a little bit more water. And if you take this out, see this one, there is no amount of seeds in here. This is completely slurry that you can throw off. So if you continue to do this, okay, you can see that all the seeds have settled in the bottom, and you can see the seeds in the bottom, and this is exactly how it would look. So all the seeds without any kind of slurry will be in this bowl, and you can pour some more water, have 1 or 2 times clean it up, and then put them in a pour that into a plain surface and let it air dry for a couple of days. Ensure that you spread them equally, and you are keeping them stirring them in between, just to ensure that they don't touch each other. And in a matter of time it will be dry and it will float, or literally won't touch each other, and you would know that it's time for you to put them in your storage boxes for to share across. These seeds are easily viable for next 2 to 3 years. They are very only the most ripen and the most viable seeds is what settles in the slurry. So it's a really great means for you to identify what's a good seed, what's not. And this is the best process for you to do if you are planning to harvest seeds on a very large scale. Hope you found this useful, and if you have anything really interesting or a different technique that you use, comment below.